I'm starving. What are you gonna make me?
We're gonna do a pan pizza today. This is kind of not our traditional pizza recipe, but we started making this during COVID. It's kind of a specialty now. All right, so we're gonna set our Thermador oven here to pizza setting. I usually like to cook my pizzas between like 500 and 550. We're gonna start at 500, and if we need to bring it up, we can. Turn on our nice light so we can see what's happening in the oven. And once we actually put the pizza in, we can use our timer, which is a great feature as well. Cool, excited to cook. So we're gonna roll out our dough first. Made this dough last night, so it's rested. I like to roll this dough out really, really thin. It takes a minute. You wanna roll, babe?
No, I'm gonna do all the eating. I'm just here for moral support. Really hot when men cook.
The key difference here from like this pizza to a normal pizza is obviously we're making it in the pan in the oven. I'd like to put a lot of olive oil in the pan. It kind of makes the crust crispy and almost has like a fried dough. And next we get to do the fun stuff. We get to put our sauce on, our cheese, and all of our toppings. You just want to put nice dollops on and spread out evenly. We made like a little heavy garlic pesto. It's like very light on the basil, heavier on the garlic, a lot of olive oil, red pepper, lemon. We're just gonna put little dollops throughout, so it's kind of like a 2-sauce pizza.
That's like a whole technique, a flicking technique.
It's very, very sophisticated. The flicking spoon technique was taught first in Italy.
I'll sprinkle the cheese. What kind of cheese is this?
This is freshly grated Parmesan cheese, Reggiano. Light on this because we also have fresh mozzarella balls, pearls, which we're gonna add as well. That's nice. That was really salty. Next, we're gonna do mozzarella. They're pearls. They're delicious. We're gonna do a little red onion.
Onion and garlic make everything good.
You can just throw some on for me. All over the place is fine. We're gonna do some green Castellani olives. Put these guys on next over the place because I love them.
Pepperonis.
And then pepperonis. Last step.
Do it in like a heart.
No, please don't.
You get a pepperoni and you get a pepper.
I'm gonna sprinkle a little crushed red pepper. We're gonna drizzle a little olive oil on top, like so, just a touch. We're all done. Look at us.
Now you have to cook it.
We're ready to jump in the oven for a beautiful pizza. We're gonna throw it on the bottom rack. So it's kind of in there evenly. Usually want this cooked between like 8 and 10 minutes. So we're gonna put our fancy kitchen timer on for 8 minutes. I mean, essentially like a good check is just wanna like pick up the crust a little bit, check the bottom of it. It's nice and brown and crispy. We're pretty much good to go. We're at like our 10-minute mark. Pizza's looking phenomenal. We're gonna take it out. Nice golden brown edges. Everything's nice and crispy on top. There we go.
Charlie woke up just in time for the pizza.
Yeah, lucky man. All right, so I'm just gonna pop this thing right out of the pan.
Yeah, that's for Charlie.
That's for Charlie. So you cut it a little bit different than a round pies.
It's too hot.
A little hot. There you have the famous Cooper pan pizza.
Ready for a slice.
Let's make it happen. You want a corner or you want a middle? Corner for you, middle for me.
What do you think, George?
What do you think? Was it good?
Pizza, pizza.
Later everyone, thanks so much for stopping in.
Let's eat.